Alright, today I'm going to be making pot roast beef, preheat my oven to 350 degrees, and then I'm going to cut up some vegetables, some onion, a little bit of celery, as well as carrots, as you can see, and of course, mushrooms. Mushrooms are so good. Absolute goodness. Next, I'm going to season my meat with a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. That's about 2 pounds of meat right there. And then I'm going to heat my pot right here. As you can see, I'm going to put a little bit of oil in there to keep the meat from sticking too bad. Circle around. And then I'm going to place my meat in the piping hot pan just like this. And I'm going to sear it. As you can see, it's seared. You see the sear marks on there right there. Flip it and sear it on the other side. Now this really locks in the flavor and makes it absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness. Now after it has been seared, you do not want to cook the meat all the way through. You're going to take it and place it to the side, just like that, all right? You don't want the meat to heat all the way through. Now that I've placed the meat to the side, I have to get the veggies, and I forgot to put garlic in there, so I'm going to take a couple of cloves of garlic, all right, and peel them, and then add vegetables to the bottom of the pan, okay? Now this allows the meat to be insulated, all right? Place the garlic on top of the meat, and then place the rest of the vegetables on top of the meat, just like this, all right? You see that? And then I'm going to place the top on it, and then I'm going to place it into the oven at 350 degrees for 3 hours. Absolute goodness. Now look at this. After about 3 hours, check out the meat, check out the vegetables, check out the carrots, check out the garlic, check out the onion. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.